Okay, so welcome to our live training session. My name is Matt Schell, and today we're going to be looking at Amplify Shader Editor and adding visual polish to your game, in this case, using custom shaders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the completed version of the game that we're working on, and then I will give you a little more context around the session. So let's enter play mode. Let's maximize. So we have here an arm and a gun. We have a little patrolling robot that you can see over there. Let's go over and shoot him if I can. And if we shoot him when we're too close, he's going to explode and kill us. And we also have this cool invisibility cloak mechanic that you can see here. And you can see this cool transparent refractive shader that you can kind of see this distorted image of things through the invisible arm. And this is the part of the game that we're going to be creating today. In the first session, we set up the FPS behavior. Last session, we set up the state machines for controlling the controls for the arm and also for these enemies, which can kill us. And today, we're going to be creating that custom shader that gives us that cool, transparent, refractive effect. Now, all three of these pieces of content are part of the Unity Plus Accelerator Pack, which is a set of 3 assets which you get for free when you sign up for Unity Plus. So the first is Ultimate FPS. We did one session on that where we set up our FPS gameplay using Ultimate FPS. The second is Playmaker, which is a visual scripting tool, which we use to set up the AI for our 2 enemies, as well as the controls for toggling and timing our invisibility. And then the third is Amplify Shader Editor, which is a visual node and wire graph-based shader creation tool, which is what we're going to look at today. So Unity Plus is a subscription program provided by Unity, which gives you access to the following cool stuff. You get control over your splash screen, so you can have no splash screen, a custom splash screen, the Unity splash screen. You get access to performance reporting, which allows you to collect error reports and crash data from your released game. You get access to the live stream portion of Unity Analytics, which gives you up-to-the-minute analytics data. You get access to the priority queue on Unity Cloud Build, meaning you'll get your cloud-based builds back faster. You also get access to the Unity courseware, which allows you to study for the Unity Certified Developer exam, which you can use to show potential employers or clients that you know your stuff with regard to Unity. Also included is the dark skin editor UI, which you see me using, which is a widely requested feature. So these 3 assets, Ultimate FPS is a turnkey first-person shooter or first-person controller solution used in many different games, super robust, comprehensive asset if the game that you want to make is a first-person shooter. A lot of fun to work with. We did an hour-long session on that you can check out in the archives. Playmaker is a visual scripting tool which allows you to create interactivity without writing C# code and has been used in a lot of popular Unity games. And then Amplify Shader Editor is what we're going to be looking at today, which is a graph-based shader creation tool, which is a lot of fun to work with, and we're going to see. So Unity Plus is $35 a month. You get the Accelerator Pack free when you sign up. That's a $190 value. That's a good deal, I think. And so buckle up. And if you want to learn more, you can check out unity.com/accelerate. So returning to our project, we've seen what we're going to make. In the next section, I'm going to lay out some kind of core shader concept and also show a little bit more detail about the shader that we're going to create.